Hey, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add border in Google Docs. Here you can see I have a page and I want to add border in this page. For that, first of all, go to Insert and then go to Drawing New. Here you can see multiple tools available. I want to click shape option and then go to rectangle shape. Draw a shape, and now it's time to add a color. I want to fill color as transparent and then border color should be red, and then go to save and close. Here you can see it's a border and I want to fix the position. For that, first of all, click on border or click on the shape in front of text. Now click to fix position on page. Now you can move it anywhere in your page. I want to fix the position. That's it. It's very simple to do. If you want to see the print preview, then go to file and print. It will be like this. I hope this is helpful for you. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like and subscribe our channel to get more quick and fast tutorial. Thanks for watching.